So because this is a Chevy van, I don't know if you see me. Now I got you on video.
Great.
Because it's a Chevy van, hinge has a little metal clip that'll rust. And I see guys driving around with blue tape on here or something, which is what I ended up doing for a little while, and I had to find a solution. So the easiest for me was just to add one of these mailbox locks. And all I do is I keep my key in the door, and that's it. And so this is the mailbox lock. And all I did was cut a groove right here on the side, and this thing, when I turn it, locks it in. So that's all that is. To get this lock, I recommend going to Lowe's. And this is it. It'll come with a bunch of different ones. And we're about to do Dave's van right now, so we'll take some video as we go. You'll need a 3/4 inch bit in order to drill this hole. So now we're looking at Dave's van, and you can see there's already a hole right here. And so I'll start my hole from the inside, and that is where the lock will end up. See, it doesn't have a lock. And then you have plastic inside here, and we're just going to cut a notch in the plastic. That's really all there is to it. The first time I did this, it's a 3/4 inch bit, and I use the bit just to confirm the hole size. So we're going to check to make sure Dave's got the same one. I believe he does. And that's the part that's going to lock it in. This is the part that holds it to the door. This piece here. So once you have your hole, it's going to go through like that and then lock in like such. So that's what we're about to do now. This is tight. Get a couple little burrs there, man. Yeah, really, actually, Dave just turned the camera off, but I just put my thumb on top of here, my other hand under here, and I just squeezed really hard. It did finally ride up in there. So you'll see that's what it'll look like. Now we have to do the inside piece, which will connect to this. So we just checked mine, and it is the 30 that I used for mine, so we're going to use the 30 again. So if you buy this pack, it'll come with several different ones, but you want the one that's the 30. Well, let's see. That's unlocked, so that's locked. So it's going to go like that. And there's a lock washer. And then this nut. We'll tighten it down in a second, but you see, so when I unlock it's like this, when it's locked, it'll be inside the plastic of this collar right here. Alright, so the socket you need to fit on this nut is going to be a 12mm. And really, you just got to just tighten down a little bit. Without turning the whole thing. Like I just did. If you do accidentally turn the whole thing, just get some channel lock straightened back up. Alright, so right now I'm going to try and figure out where I need to make the notch. So I'm going to mark the metal above and below where that is. So you can see that's right there. So when we cut this plastic inside, we got to go at least this low, and then we'll have to cut a little higher because as it swings down, it'll hit the plastic. When I first did this, I cut it a little too tight, and so I had to increase the hole upward. I sliced it twice with the Dremel, and then just used the utility knife to cut through top and bottom here. I just tested it, and you can see when I start to lock it in, it wants to turn downward, which means it's not really clearing at the top. It's moving down, so I got to take more out of the top of my cut here. That might do it. Gooey. There it goes.
I'm ready for my close-up.
Oh, sorry.
I'm just kidding.
Our Dave's going to give a demonstration, and this is also his first time doing it, so we'll see how he does. Oh, look at that, just like a pro. There you go, Dave. Good to go. This lock, well, there isn't one. I put that on there. So because this is a Chevy van, I don't know, do you see me?
There's your finished hole.
Because it's a Chevy van,